So students, this video we are going to solve few problems which are related to properties of rational numbers. We are going to apply the properties of rational numbers in these problems to make our calculations easier. So to begin with, let's start with the first problem. It says find the product of these four rational numbers. Now when you see these rational numbers, do you see anything you can pair and cancel out? If I say this first one minus 4 by 5, and if I pair with this thing 15 by 16, and then this 3 by 7 if I pair with this minus 14 by 9. I wrote it like that. Why? Because I can cancel this 4 and 16, 5 and 15. Here also 3 and 9, 7 and 14. So let's begin with cancel 4. So it will be 1. 4 fours are 16. Clear? Now here cancel 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. So what is left with? Minus 1 by 1 into 3 by 4. Here, if you see, it is 3 and 9. I can cancel this 3 and 9. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. 7 ones are 7. And this is what? 2. Now 1 by 1 into minus 2 by 3. Now let's see what we get here. What is over here? Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. 1 into 4, 4. Same way 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 1 into 3, 3. Again, can I cancel anything? Yes, I can cancel this 3 and 3, both 1 and 1. 4 and 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So you're left with minus 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 1. So what is left over here? It's only 1 by 2. That's our answer. So which property I used over here? I used associative property. I rearranged using associative property. What associative property says that when we have two or more rational numbers and we multiply them in any order, the output or the product is always going to be the same. So you multiply it and anyhow you cancel it from here also, but this I just rearrange them. I make them in different pairs and then I solve them first. So I got an easier way to got my answer. I hope this is clear. Please pause the video, try this question on your own, and then move on to the next question. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is addition. Previous question was multiplication. Now let's see how associative property works with this addition problem. Now here we see the base or denominators over here. One is 7. Any other multiple of 7 is there? Yes, we have 21. That's a multiple of 7. So what I'll do is I'll make pairs with the numbers which are factors or multiples of one and another. Okay, so let's say how can I change it as 3 by 7 plus I'll write minus 8 by 21. One combination I made with these. Now another one you can see on your own, that's 11 and 22. Now why I'm pairing it like this? The reason for that is that taking LCM is easier now. We can do it in parts. So what is the LCM of 7 and 21? 21 comes in 7 table also. So 7 threes are 21. So we can take LCM as 21. So now 3 by 7. So let me write here LCM of 7 and 21 is 21. So you have to make it like 7 into 3 is 21. I have to multiply numerator also with the same number 3 into 3. Here you don't have to do anything into 1 into 1. So you have it as 21 only. Now here if you see now 11 and 22. So LCM of 11 and 22. What is LCM of 11 and 22? It's 22 only. The highest multiple for the least multiple for both of them. 21 ones are 22 ones are 22 and 11 twos are 22. So both will work here. So 6 and 11. 11 into 2, 6 into 2 plus 5 into 1, 22 into 1. I hope the step is clear. Now 3 threes are 9 by 21. 7 threes are plus minus 8 by 21. Next step minus 12 by 22 plus 5 by 22. I hope there is no doubt over here. Now, what is 9 minus 8? It's 9 minus 8 by 21 plus minus 12 plus 5 by 22. We just shift this a little down, and now what should be the next step? 9 minus 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 by 21. This will be minus 7. So minus 7 by 22. Now we need to get the LCM of 21 and 22. We know that these two numbers have only 1 as their common factor, so better to multiply them only. So what is 21 into 22? That will be the LCM only. So it's 2, 2, we put 0, so 4 and 4. So when you add it, it's 264. 462 is the answer. Let's just confirm. 2 ones are 2, 2, then 2, 4, 4. So you add it up, it's going to be 462. So the LCM is 462. How you will solve it? 1 by 21. You have to multiply by 22 to make it 462 in the denominator. Same here. 22 will be multiplied by 21. So here also the same step. So it's 22 by 462 minus, what is 7 into 21? 147 by 462. So when you simplify, you need to subtract 147, 22. So what you'll get? 5, 2, 1. So it's as the bigger sign goes to this number, so minus bigger number is 147, so sign of that 462. We cannot cancel them because they do not have any common factor. So that's the answer for the question. I hope this is clear. So again, I'm saying please pause the video, see the question, solve it on your own, and then move to the next one. Here again, I use the property called as associative property. I rearrange using that and I added in a simpler way so that the taking LCM is easier, and I got the answer. Now let's move to these two questions. Here if you see, we need to use distributive property. Which property we have to use? Distributive property. So we can see in the first part that this 7 by 5 is distributed to both these numbers. 7 by 5 is distributed to minus 3 by 12 also and 5 by 12 also. So what should be the next step? I can take this out common, 7 by 5. Inside it's minus 3 by 12. It's plus between, minus sign of 3 come here, plus over here as it is, and then it is 5 by 12. Denominator already same. So how do we solve it? We just take the LCM. That's 12 only, same. So minus 3 plus 5. It's minus 7 by 5 into 2 by 12. I can cancel this 2 and 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So the answer is 7 into 1, 7 with negative sign by 30, 5 into 6. I hope the step is clear. Now let's move to the second part. Here again also if you see, 9 by 16 is a common thing which is distributed to both 4 by 12 and minus 3 by 9. Let's take it common again. I have 9 by 16 and inside I have 4 by 12 minus 3 by 9. It's plus minus 3 by 9. So let's take it like that only. 12 and 9. 12 and 9. Okay. Over here if you see 4 by 12, 3 by 9. Can I convert them into lowest forms? What is 4 by 12? That's 1 by 3 because you can cancel 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Same way here, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So that is plus minus 1 by 3. Clear? Both are 1 by 3 only. Now 9 by 16 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which will be 0. Which will be what? 9 by 16 multiplied by 0. So 0 multiplied by any rational number will give you only 0. This is called as multiplication by 0. So I hope this is also clear. Now move to a little complicated question in which you have not two terms, 5 terms, and there is distribution also, and there is association also. We have to take care now. So let's see how we can do that question. So over here, okay. Now what do you see over here? There is one multiplication thing provided over here, and there is one more multiplication thing over here. But now over here, if I see 3 by 7 is there with both of them. Yeah, so let's me combine that. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. I just changed the order, and then minus 1 by 14 I'm writing at the end. because this is not with any multiplication thing. Now here, do you see that this 3 by 7 is being distributed to these two numbers? But one thing also you observe that there is a negative sign here, there is no negative sign here, it's over here. So what we will do only 3 by, take only 3 by 7 common. Inside, if I have taken this 3 by 7 common, this negative sign is left over here. So I'll keep this negative sign with 2 by 5. Clear? I have taken only 3 by 7. Negative sign left. That negative sign will go to this number 2 by 5. Clear? Now only 3 by 7 has gone. So this is what left over here, 3 by 5. I hope the step is clear. And minus 1 by 14 as it is I'm copying. Please follow the steps. Then there is no issue in calculation and you will also able to find out your mistakes if you have done in any step. Here the denominators are same, so LCM is 5 only. So you just take the numerators minus 2, minus 3. Next step, 3 by 7 multiplied by minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 by 5. So now what can I do over here? Let me just shift this question down because it's going to take a little more. So over here it's 3 by 7. You can cancel this 1 by 1. So it's into minus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 14, which comes out to be minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14. I hope till here it is clear. Okay, now what we are going to do is 7 and 14. Subtraction problem, is it? So you just have to take LCM. So let me move over here. So what is the LCM of 7 and 14? 14 only, because 14 ones are 14, 7 twos are 14. So multiple, least multiple for these two common is 14 only. So LCM is 14. So let's multiply 3 by 7. You will multiply by 2. 3 also with 2. This with 1 and 1. So what I am going to get? 3 into 2 minus 6 by 14, 1 by 14. LCM 14 because both are same only. So minus 6 minus 1. What is it? Minus 7 by 14. So final answer comes out to be minus 1 by 2 because I can cancel this 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So minus 1 by 2. I hope this is clear. Now you see was a little longer question. So please pause the video again. I'm telling, solve this question and then only move to the next question. Hope it's clear. Now this one again is a complicated thing. You have to distribute also. You have to associate also. Let's see how we are going to do it. So over here also if we see, if I circle it, this 3 by 5 is there with this multiplication. Check for multiplication problems first. Yeah, the terms, it is being multiplied, two terms multiplied, so 3 by 5 is common here. Here also if you see 3 by 5 is with this 1 by 6. So write them again together with their sign. Don't change the sign. Okay, whatever sign is there in front of them, you have to take them as it is. So I'll write minus 2 by 3 as it is into 3 by 5. Then it was minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Please do not interchange the sign. And then 5 by 2 I will take back. It's over here. The single term I took back. Clear? Over here now see, 3 by 5 is again common in both of them. It's being distributed in both of them. So I'll take 3 by 5 common. What is left here? Minus 2 by 3. Negative sign is there. Keep it as it is. 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. You know what is the LCM of 3 and 6? That's easy to tell. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6 only. So 3 by 5 multiplied by LCM is 6, so I have to multiply it by 2. So numerator also 2 minus 1, 6 into 1 into 1, 5 by 2. Now it will be 3 by 5 multiplied by 2 into 2 minus 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6. It is 3 by 5 multiplied by minus 4 minus 1 by 6. Next step will be, now it will be 3 by 5 multiplied by minus 5 by 6 because minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. I can cancel this 5 and 5. So 1 minus 1. 3 ones are 3 twos are plus 5 by 2. This was there. So what am I left with? 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 1 into 2 2 plus 5 by 2. We have the denominator same 2. What will it be? Minus 1 plus 5 by 2, which is 4 by 2, and the answer is 2 because I can cancel it. Done with these problems. I hope it's clear. So please, again I'm repeating that just don't look at the video, solve them. More you solve the questions, more you understand. Okay, so bye for today. Then I'll come up with more problems related to rational numbers and its properties.